Welcome to today's deep dive. If you've ever watched like a flawless live stadium shot, your brain probably jumps straight to the camera lens.
Oh, totally. I mean, the lens always gets the glory.
Right. But looking through today's stack of sources, so we've got tech specs, product manuals, industry breakdowns, our mission is actually to uncover the literal foundation of those setups.
Yeah, literally the foundation.
Exactly. We're looking at a highly specific piece of professional gear, the Bolin Technology QRBM Outdoor PTZ mounting base.
Which I know might just look like a simple piece of gray metal on the spec sheet, right? But this is a critical standalone component for those high-end outdoor broadcasts.
It's an upright outdoor rated mount, right? For the PTZ, the pan, tilt, zoom cameras.
Yeah.
And you can mount it on the floor or horizontally.
Yeah, exactly. And the real standout feature here is Bolin's new quick-release mechanism.
Okay, so I actually had to push back on this a bit because, when you hear quick release, you probably picture snapping like a DSLR onto a cheap plastic consumer tripod.
Right, something kind of flimsy.
Yeah. So if this is heavy-duty outdoor gear meant to survive a literal storm, doesn't a quick release introduce a massive stability risk? Like, why not just permanently bolt it down?
Well, you're touching on this massive tension in live production, which is time versus security.
Oh, sure.
Because professionals need that storm-proof rigidity, right? But they also need to rapidly deploy or swap out failing equipment. I mean, dropping a live broadcast while you run around looking for a wrench is a fireable offense.
Wow. Yeah, I hadn't thought of that. Seconds count.
Exactly. So Bolin solves this not with like a flimsy spring latch, but with a heavy-duty interlocking mechanism.
Okay.
When it's engaged, it essentially fuses the camera to this 2.5-pound metal base plate. So you get the rigidity of permanent bolts, but, the speed of a quick release.
Okay, so it's heavily engineered mechanical hardware. But this is the part of the documentation that really threw me. It notes this piece of structural metal ships with its own, quote, latest firmware.
Yeah, that's wild, isn't it?
It is. Like, why would a physical mounting plate need firmware?
Well, that basically proves this isn't just a hunk of metal, It's an active piece of the broadcast ecosystem.
Right.
The inclusion of firmware indicates data and power pass-through, so it's physically communicating with the camera.
Oh, so it's not just holding it up.
Exactly. It's ensuring the quick release base isn't just mechanically secure, but it's actually electronically integrated into the network.
That makes a lot of sense. And speaking of that camera ecosystem, I was looking at the pricing in these specs.
The numbers are pretty interesting.
Yeah. So the base itself runs $395. And that comes with free USA shipping and a 1-year warranty.
Which isn't too bad for a professional beer.
No, it's not. And it supports Bolin's EXU and EX Gen 3 series outdoor cameras.
Yeah.
But those cameras cost anywhere from $8,395 to $8,995.
Yeah, they're serious investments.
So my question is, if you're paying basically $9,000 for a professional camera, why on earth isn't the base just included in the box? I mean, if you buy a TV, it comes with a fee.
Right. It seems counterintuitive. But it comes down to what the documentation calls a modular matrix approach.
Modular matrix.
Yeah.
Okay, what does that mean in practice?
Well, professional rigging just isn't one size fits all. Like, you might mount a camera horizontally on the floor, but the next crew is hanging theirs inverted from a truss.
Oh, I see. Or like bolting it to a custom stadium wall mount or something.
Exactly. So by unbundling it, they aren't forcing you to pay for, or honestly, to store these chunks of heavy metal you'll never actually use.
Oh, that's smart. You build your own custom rig, selecting only the specific foundations your broadcast requires.
Precisely. It's all about a modular foundation.
So really, the next time you see an incredibly stable outdoor broadcast, remember to give a little credit to the heavy-duty mounting hardware keeping those expensive cameras locked in place.
It is absolutely the unsung hero of live production, for sure.
It really is. The lens gets the glory, but the base does the heavy lifting. But I actually want to leave you with a thought to mull over, kind of going back to that firmware detail.
Oh, yeah, the smart plate.
Right. If a physical mounting base, like a piece of structural support hardware, requires its own firmware to pass data, what does that mean for the future of so-called dumb hardware?
That's a great question.
Right. Are we rapidly approaching an era where literally every single piece of metal in our tech ecosystems will be a smart device?